What's up, guys? This is gonna be my first vlog on this channel. So if you guys know me, you know that I have a Nissan Silvia. It's a 1990 Nissan Silvia. So today I'm gonna ruin it, and me and my buddy Niall raps and installs body kits, and I don't know, we have like a shop in Tempe, so we're gonna cut this out, ruin the car, ruin the Silvia. But yeah, so it's been giving me problems lately though, because I think like something's wrong with the battery, so hopefully I make it to the shop. And yeah, so I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I had to jump it. I really hope it makes it to the shop, because if it doesn't, then we're just gonna have to like limp it the whole way there.
One at a time, do it quick.
Alright, so we just got to the shop. I just got to the shop. Niall's over here. About to wrap this bitch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Tarek, he's just here.
I'm just here. I'm here to help.
Niall's about to cut the first piece. Boom. Looks so sick. Doesn't even pick up on camera though, but
Here,
how sick does that look?
I got you. Got you. Sick.
Wow. That's some hot boy shit right there.
Sick with 2Ks. 5.
Wait, was it 54 for sure?
54.
Alright, we're good. There's like...
Niall's almost done with the hood. We're doing the suspension back here. Fucking got this little bitch out. We got the BC.
You got like 2.5 more.
What is it? Super lows or whatever? I don't even know. Max lows? I don't even know. Yeah, but ordered these. If it'll autofocus. About to put this in.
Oh, on the bottom? Yeah. That's on mine already.
Right in your face, bro. Damn hot boy fenders. Eric. Bro.
That's it. That's all I can think.
We about to fuck it up. Now just put some holes in my fucking car. What do you have to say about that?
A fucking holder.
Now what?
No.
Took off the front. Niall and me are gonna cut up the fucking rear end.
You gonna do the door right now? Yeah, I'm gonna do this door.
Smoked. Get it. Rap God just one-pieced it.
Hit me up.
Fuck Showell. Niall performance. More like Niall performance.
Yo,
Look how we fucked up the shop. Yo, look, it's a white S13 and another white S13. Cut up the fender over there. Zoom in.
where's my
Boom.
fucking goddamn...
She's looking thick as fuck. How thick is she?
Slim dick.
Alright guys, so it's like 2 days later. We got stuck at the shop. There was like way too much to get done, but this is what it's looking like right now. So hood's wrapped, roof is wrapped, door's wrapped. We need to wrap the door handle. This is wrapped. We need to wrap the bumper, and we need to like remount it so that it comes up a little bit more because it's sagging like hella. And then this is wrapped, this is wrapped. So I mean, this is basically what it looks like right now. We should be able to get everything on today. And then Cody Scree, he has a Toyota Chaser. He just measured out my wheels last night, so I'm ordering my barrels and my lips to do like full custom ones, and they're all gonna be chrome. Put in the BC coils. It rides like super nice now. Like it rides like a dream. Like I've never driven a car with like new coils because I was like a cheap ass last time I bought coils for my Subaru, and nah, it's way better. Just buy new coils. Like don't cheap out. Yeah, so I'm waiting for Niall to get here, and we're gonna go to the shop, pick up some like the wrap and my bumpers and stuff, bring it back to my house, and then we're gonna install it in the garage. I'm gonna put the car on like jack stands right now so that when Niall gets here we can go to the shop, come back, and it will already be ready to be messed with and stuff. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, I just got a call from Niall. I'm gonna go meet him at the shop right now. So I just put the Silvia in the garage. Yeah, so I guess we'll see you guys at the shop. Found Niall. Pull up to the shop.
Fuck! Did you get alcohol? 91?
I got 91 octane alcohol.
Nah, I like 85 better. It's better. When you're walking a car, it gives it more horsepower.
You're right. So we're loading up the fucking tandem truck. We're stealing all the shit we can from Show. Hey yo, fuck Show Up Performance.
No, fuck Season. Fuck Eason.
Fuck Eason. I hope he sees this.
He'll see it when he's in China. And he'll say,
China boy.
Oh my god, he's still.
For real though, Isan, if you're watching this, you a bitch.
you a bitch ass pussy. How do you say that in Chinese?
Oh.
Yeah. Yep.
Alright, so we've been working on the car. I forgot to vlog us getting here. What's up, hot boy?
It's a beautiful day, I guess. For a bitch to roll what I'm Dre, I guess. Roll it up, baby, come lift that trust and roll it up for me when I'm stressed. You might catch me in Atlanta.
Oh, I didn't mean to play that.
What?
For my car, they're like, we have this size. That will fucking fit. And it won't.
We're out here, week 3. Week 3, I'm just kidding. Like way later. We're gonna finish this car tonight. We're gonna go meet up with Sketchy Unicorn. We're gonna put everything back together. And we might hit a trike stand. Why did this flip? Might hit a trike stand tonight. Right?
Yeah.
Right, motherfucker? Uh-huh. Yo, huge time warp. Haven't been recording anything. The kit's on. This is not gonna be good.
It's gonna be fine.
Alright, fucking do it. I have been slacking. Hardcore slacking. Like, that video, the last clip that you just watched was from weeks ago. I've been super busy at work, doing a bunch of stuff. The kit is all together, the wings on. I'm just waiting for my wheels to get done. My buddy Cody's doing those, so I don't know. I don't even know when those are going to be done. Probably next week or the week after. I'm going to start being consistent with uploading. I'm going to try to upload every Thursday. Just let me know in the comments like what you guys want to see. I don't really know, like this weekend I'm going to probably film the drift event. I'm going to be drifting there, so I'll put that out next Thursday. I think this video I'm going to edit today, so it's Tuesday, so I might throw it up today or tomorrow. So Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm going to show you guys the car right now. It is pretty much done with the body kit. Like I said, just the wheels need to be done. And I just broke the stud off my alternator. So the alternator's like not working right. So I need to go buy another alternator and then I'll be able to drive it again. But there's a little wing. And so my front end's actually at the exhaust shop because I need to get my like blast pipe out the back and I have to take it on the lift, so I just left it there because they didn't have any more appointments for the day. So I'm gonna try to do that once I get the car running. There's like a whole laundry list of stuff to do to this car, but yeah, pretty much this is what she looks like now. Got my Hot Boy plate on it, almost fully Hot Boy, just need my wheels. We got a pretty bad gap right there. My fitment's looking like Randy from Eliminates right now. But yeah, I'm also dropping a feature with my friend Chris, so his username is going to be right here on Instagram. Going to be doing that probably later this week or next week, just depends on like how busy I am, but yeah, that should be a pretty sick video. Again, I appreciate all you guys. We're almost at like 3,000, so please comment like what you guys want to see, and then I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.